Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create 3D cartoon animated videos using Google Gemini AI right from your mobile phone. No expensive software, no PC, just AI magic on your phone. Let's get started. So first, you can open Google Gemini AI on your browser or app. You can visit the gemini.google.com or open the app if you already install it. And make sure you already log in to your Google account. So now we'll create the scene for your animation using Gemini. For example, in here, I'm going to use this keywords right here, this prompt. Generate a 3D cartoon scene of a boy walking through a fantasy forest with colorful lights. So hit on submit and Gemini will visualize the scene for you instantly. So here is the image based on my prompt. You can just download the image to your device first and then you can animate your scene. So you can just open an AI animations tool like Kyber, Runway, ML or Pika Labs. But here I'm going to use this Pix first AI. You can download the app from the Google Play Store. So now you can just upload the image. So click on the plus button, click on upload your image and choose the image that you got from the Google Gemini. Then just describe the motions that you want. So for example, I'm going to just make the boy walk to the camera. So here you can adjust the quality, but I'm going to just use the 360 as an example. Just tap on create and just wait until the video is generated. So here I actually already generated before using the same prompt, and here is the result from my image. So now the image is moving just like this. So now you can make your animation come alive by adding voiceover and sound effects. You can use Google Gemini AI to generate a script, and then HeyGen or Elven Labs for realistic AI voices, and add background music using CapCut or VN editor. So that's it. That's how you can create a 3D cartoon animated videos using Google Gemini AI completely on mobile. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.